Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve problem statement number 189, rotate array. Here we will given a number, array of number, that is, and the k, the number of time we have to rotate that array in the from the left. So basically the from the first I have created is I have created an it is a nums dot size, and the for the k, that how many times we have to rotate that array. So first we will start by rotating the whole array on the whole, and then we will rotate the number from the starting to the number of times we have to rotate. That is, we have k. So num dot begin is 7. First we have rotated each and every 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is already done. And the second we will check if from the 7 to that k, that is 7, 6, 5. We will rotate that much amount, and then we will continue. Then we will rotate again from the kth element. That is, from what we have done is 5, 6, 7 is already rotated. Then we have to rotate 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we will rotate from 4, 3, 2, and 1 again. So basically we will get the answer by this, and then finally we will get an answer nums that is rotate for the kth time. So this is a solution for our problem statement number 189, rotate array.